Welcome to the second part of topic 5 regarding the town and the city. In this video, you'll be learning words and how to pronounce words from letters J to Z. Okay, let's begin. Jail, jail. Junction, junction. Land, land. Landscape, landscape. Lane, lane. Large city, large city. Laundromat, laundromat. Library, library. Lift, lift. Local swimming pool, local swimming pool. Locality, locality. Location, location. Locksmith shop, locksmith shop. Lodge, lodge. Log cabin, log cabin. Lot, lot. Luxury condo, luxury condo. Main street, main street. Mansion, mansion. Market, market. Mechanic, mechanic. Medical center, medical center. Metropolis, metropolis. Mosque, mosque. Motel, motel. Motorway, motorway. Mountain resort, mountain resort. Movie theater, movie theater. Municipal, municipal. Museum, museum. Neighborhood, neighborhood. Nursing home, nursing home. Office building, office building. One-way street, one-way street. Open area, open area. Open space, open space. Outskirts, outskirts. Overpass, overpass. Park, park. Parking lot, parking lot. Parks, parks. Passage, passage. Paved road, paved road. Pavements, pavements. Petrol station, petrol station. Pharmacy, pharmacy. Place, place. Place of birth, place of birth. Plaza, plaza. Police department, police department. port, port. Post office, post office. Prison, prison. Pub, pub. Public hall, public hall. Public library, public library. Racetrack, racetrack. Railroad, railroad. Real estate agency, real estate agency. Region, region. Residential area, residential area. Residential district, residential district. Resort, resort. Restaurant, restaurant. Road, road. Roads, roads. Roof, roof. Rooftop, rooftop. Route, route. Sandbox, sandbox. Sandpit, sandpit. School, school. School building, school building. Seaside resort, seaside resort. Service station, service station. Settlement, settlement. Sewer, sewer. Sewerage system, sewerage system. Shoe store, shoe store. Shopping center, shopping center. Shopping mall, shopping mall. Shrine, shrine. Side street, side street. Site, site. Ski resort, ski resort. Skyscraper, skyscraper. Slope, slope. Slums, slums. Small town, small town. Space, space. Speedway, speedway. Sports ground, sports ground. Sports stadium, sports stadium. Square, square. Street, street. Street vendor, street vendor. Streets, streets. Structure, structure. Suburb, suburb. Subway station, subway station. Summer house, summer house. superhighway, superhighway. Supermarket, supermarket. Surroundings, surroundings. Taxi stand, taxi stand. Temple, temple. Thoroughfare, thoroughfare. Toll road, toll road. Tower, tower. Town, town. Town hall, town hall. Track, track. Trade center, trade center. Train station, train station. Triplex, triplex. Tunnel, tunnel. Turnpike, turnpike. Underground, underground. Underpass, underpass. University, university. Vicinity, vicinity. Village, village. Walkways, walkways. Winter resort, winter resort. Zebra crossing, zebra crossing. Zoo, zoo. Fantastic work if you've managed to finish to the end. Now you know how to pronounce words regarding the town and the city. In the next topic, we'll be learning everything about vehicles and transporters.